everybody, it's Callie and I'm back with another layout, and today I have two photos and I'm trying to decide how to mat those photos on some paper with that wood bike. So I'm kind of taking a look at this dark, like Kelly green paper. And originally I was going to put the square photo at the top, and then I decided I really like the arrangement of the square photo on the bottom with the bike underneath the longer photo. And then as I was looking, I liked it better actually on this bright green paper because I know I'm going to put it on that map paper. So I'm thinking I really wanted to brighten it up, and that's why I chose that green paper. So the map paper is the Pink Paisley Paige Evans Horizon Collection. It's paper number 5. The light green springy paper that I'm mounting the photos and then the bike on is paper number 13. That bike is a wood veneer bike from L Studio, and that is a couple of years old. I don't know that they sell those anymore, but it's always worth a look in their wood veneer to see if they do, but I absolutely loved it. And this is appropriate. This will be a story about a triathalon that I was volunteering at. And I volunteered at the transition from the bike to the run. So the bike thing is a totally appropriate motif. I'm going to put the Memento Dewdrop ink in gray flannel around the paper edges there, and then I decided I didn't love the light green right on top of that map. It felt like it was blending in too much. So now I'm going to put it on that dark green paper, which again is Horizon. It's paper number 10. And I think that's going to give me the perfect little bit of a layer to separate it off, because a large part of that mat is a lighter color or lighter colors, and I think that dark green does a really good job of popping it off. All right, and then again, need to use my Memento Dewdrop ink, and that just gives the papers a little bit of a shadow, and it sets them off from the background. Sorry, guys. All right, so now I'm trying to decide what to do to embellish this. It's got a very busy background, obviously, but I think that with the bright green paper, your eye is really being drawn to the photo block there, that you're not losing the photos in the block. So I grabbed that Good Time sticker there, and that is from the Horizon stickers, the sticker pack, the 6x12 stickers. Then I have this Journey sticker here, and I'm looking at using that sticker, but I haven't quite decided. That again is from the accent stickers from the collection. I'm just kind of putting those off to the sides if it's anything that I'm thinking I might use. So I'm going through that sticker book right there, which is my hashtag sticker book it's a Paige Evans sticker book, and it wasn't from the Horizon collection, but it was a couple of collections ago. And just kind of looking through it to see if there's anything that I think might work. I did grab that the You Are Awesome sticker, which is off to the right. It was kind of a rainbow colored sticker. Sometimes the easiest way to do this is just to page through all the pages and pop things on the edge of your mat or on a little bit of wax paper. That also helps. So then I found this piece that said Start Here. Well, that totally made sense because, although I was at the finish line, I was also at the start of the half marathon I volunteered for a half Ironman triathlon actually. And so that totally made sense. So I have that, and then I have this heart here, and those are from that hashtag sticker book, the Paige Evans hashtag sticker book. Just trying to get the heart to work with that. And then I decided, ooh, this would be a great place to add the Journey sticker in. So now I have that piece in there. And again, that is from the Horizon sticker sheet. And then I find this sticker that says Celebrate Today, which is from the hashtag sticker book. So I think that works really well. And now I decide I probably want something up at the top somewhere, but I really need to get a title on this first. And so I go to these thickers here, which really honestly, you guys, are super hard to see on the video here, but in real life they are much easier to read. It's because they have chunky glitter on them. So this alpha is the Junebug Alpha in Blue Jay, which is, the Junebug Alpha is one of my all-time favorite alphas, but I especially love it in this color. It's a really cool blue. It's not quite purple, but it's not, I don't know, it's a very, very cool color anyway. All right, so I'm just adding, putting that down. So I have the word triathlon down. Now I don't think I'm going to do this on camera, but I do go back later because these are chipboard and they are older, so I want to make sure that they're sticking, and I go back and I add my not Memento Dewdrop, my Scotch tacky or quick dry adhesive to it. Quick dry tacky glue. I can never remember which is the later version of that, but anyway. All right, so then I find this word strip that says, "Today is your day to shine," and that is from the hashtag sticker book. And I think that's awesome because obviously for the people participating, this was. And then I want to add the name of the actual triathlon, which was the Lake Country Triathlon. So I'm going to use this gold tile Mini Alpha, and that is from Glitz. It's the Uncharted Waters Teeny Alphas in gold. And I'll just add Lake Country above that. So pretty simple there. That helps identify it. This was a really cool experience. I am a runner. I'm actually training for my own half marathon later this year. But it was very cool to see these athletes come in. And where I was, they were coming in really fast when they came in. Some of them flipped out of their shoes still attached to the pedals. If you know anything about biking, they had clipless pedals, which really means that their shoes clip right to the pedals. But they would flip right out of it and then hop off the bike and then run barefoot or in socks, depending, to the transition area, which is that parking lot that you see right above the bike. So it was pretty cool. My job was to make sure they stopped before they got to the transition area so they didn't run anybody over. All right, so now I grabbed that tag, which is from the Pink Paisley Horizon Ephemera, and then that "You Are Awesome" sticker, which I said before again is from the hashtag sticker book. And I really like the way those pieces work together. The large pink tag there really draws your eye there, so you'll be able to see my journaling, because I really wanted to remind myself of this awesome experience. That green heart is from the Horizon stickers as well. So, you know, just popping a few little words on here will remind me of what a cool experience this was. And, you know, I think running 8, 9, 10 miles, which is where I am in my journey right now, is an amazing feat. But these athletes did a little bit over a mile swim. They did a 56-mile bike ride, and then a half marathon, which is 13.1 miles, for a total of 70.3 miles. So crazy, crazy, crazy. When they came off those bikes, some of them had a hard time running because their muscles were so used to biking. So it was pretty cool. So I'm going to add this twine from We Are Memory Keepers to the tag, and then that will be it, you guys. So following will be a still shot and a couple of detail shots, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.